Namaste. My name is Ramya Harishankar, and we are Ramya's Traditions of India. In our presentation, we share two forms of Indian classical dance. From the south, Bharatanatyam, and from the north, Kathak. There is also a tabla player, one of the most popular percussion instruments from India. In our assembly, we perform short pieces and have interactive sessions with the students, teaching them simple movements from each of the styles, as well as drum and dance language. India has a long history, civilization, arts and culture, architecture, dating back thousands of years. These forms are what I call living traditions, as they continue to grow, evolve, and adapt to the times. They are a complex synthesis of the arts and sciences: math, musicality, rhythm, mythology, poetry, and of course, spatial awareness, teamwork, and discipline, focus, and strength. Indian dance includes movement and melody, but also theatre, and is a language through which one can express ideas, thoughts, emotions, and tell stories. I've had the unique pleasure of being a teaching artist through the Sergastum Center for the Arts for the past 30 years. Living in a society made up of diverse communities, it is such a unique opportunity to share as well as learn about the spectrum of arts and culture that surrounds us. As teaching artists, we expand the horizon for the children and hopefully build understanding and tolerance as they grow to be citizens of the world. Arts and culture are integral to any world-class society.